determination of molecular spectroscopic term symbols for diatomic molecules. So this is very very important for CSIR, UGC NET, IIT JAM, GATE, G Advance and state level eligibility test. Okay, so we will move towards the various examples for these diatomic molecules. Right. So here we will discuss the previous lecture already we have done H2 molecule. So here we will discuss Li2 molecule. Okay. So Li2 molecule is a 6 electron system. Li2 molecule is a 6 electron system. Here the energy order, it is a below 14 electron system. The energy order for this Li2 molecule is sigma 1 sigma G2 and so sigma star 2 and sigma 2 G2. So these are the Zaride center. So this is the bonding molecular orbital and this is anti-bonding molecular orbital. Clear, student, right? Okay, so here the 6 electrons in this energy orbital. Okay, right. Next, so here the calculation of spin multiplicity. So the electrons are paired in this s orbital, means the sigma 2s level. So therefore the spins are cancelled. So that is plus of minus of. So therefore the spin multiplicity 2s plus 1 is equal to 2 into 0. S value is 0, student, and plus 1 is equal to 1. So therefore the spin multiplicity value is 1. Okay, the superscript is 1. The electron is present in sigma level. Already we know very well about if the electrons are present in sigma level, generally we will consider the value is sigma only. Okay, right. So the subscript here, the electrons are in Zaride center only. So therefore you can multiply with Zaride and Zaride, means Z into G, that is equal to G. So therefore the molecular term symbol is 1 sigma G plus. Okay, right. This is the molecular term symbol for Li2 molecule. Okay, clear, student, right? So here, so this is the molecular term symbol for Li2 molecule, that is 1 sigma G plus. Right. Next we will move to another example, that is Be2 molecule. So Be2 means nothing but, student, beryllium atomic number 4. So means 4 plus 4, that is equal to 8 electron system. The remaining here already we have seen the 2 electrons in this level. The next 2 electrons are enter into this sigma star anti-bonding level. So please remember, student, so when we are going to determine the molecular term symbol of any molecule, so please focus, student. So you can consider the last electrons only. So don't consider 1s level or sigma star 1s level. So please consider only the outer electron. So that is very very important for the determination of molecular spectroscopic term symbol. Okay, right here. So here also the electrons are paired up, student. So therefore the spin multiplicity value is equal to 0. So that is 2 into s plus 1, that is 2 into 0 plus 1, that is equal to 1. So the electron is present in sigma level. So then the term symbol is sigma only. Okay, right. Next, the subscript is G, because here the electrons are in unzaride center, so there is no center of symmetry. So therefore U into U, that is equal to G, student. Clear, right? So therefore the molecular term symbol for Be2 molecule is 1 sigma G plus. Clear, student? So this is the term symbol for Be2 molecule. So here please remember, student, what I said in previous, that is, so please focus, please be focused only the last electrons of the system. Please focus last valency electrons of the system, that is very very important. Okay, right. So next we will move to another example. Okay, so for a B2 molecule, student, so it is a 10 electron system. The energy order is sigma G2 and sigma star 2 and 2 sigma G2 and 2 sigma star U2, pi 2px U1 and pi 2py U1. Okay, so please focus, student. So you will consider only this electronic configuration. So that is outer electronic configuration you should focus. Okay, right. So here I'll this you consider only this configuration, that is very important. Clear, student, right? The electrons in px1 and py1, so this is very important, student. So there is no electron in sigma pz orbital, only the electrons are in pi to px1 and pi to py1. So that is very important. So therefore the electrons are in this lambda 1 and lambda 2. So therefore L value is equal to the sum of orbital angular momentum of different orbitals, that is 1 plus 1 and minus 1, that is equal to 0. Then the term symbol is sigma. Okay, the spin multiplicity, so that is plus up and plus up, so that is equal to 1. So therefore 2 into 1 plus 1, that is equal to 3. So the term symbol is 3, the term symbol is sigma, and the spin multiplicity value is 3. Okay, then we will focus whether it is Zarad and Zarad. So here all the electrons are in unzarad only. So therefore the one electron of unzarad and another one electron of another, so that is we are multiplying with u into u, so it gives z only. So therefore the term symbol for B2 molecule is 3, that is the spin multiplicity. The term symbol is sigma and Zarad center is G. Okay, and here you can see that is a negative superscript. So why we have written negative superscript, right? So please focus, student. So please focus, I'll explain a very important concept over here. So that is if generally if the term symbol is sigma, so generally the superscript may be positive or negative, student. That is very important. So when we write positive and when we write negative, okay, so here I have written negative term symbol, student, right? So please focus, student. If the electrons are present in p orbital, that is very important. If the electrons are present in p orbital, if the term symbol is, if the spin multiplicity value is 3, if the spin multiplicity value is 3, then you assign a negative term symbol. Okay, you assign a negative term symbol. That is very important, right? So if the spin multiplicity value is 1, then so you assign superscript as positive. So this is very important concept. Clear, student? If the electrons are present in p orbital, that is very important. Then focus, if the spin multiplicity value is 3, then you assign superscript as a negative. If the spin multiplicity value is 1, then you assign superscript as positive. Clear, student? So this is very important. Okay, right. So I'll raise all these things. Okay, right. So next we will move to next molecule. For C2 molecule, so it is a 12 electron system. Okay, right. The energy order, so the two electrons the two electrons are added here, so that is pi to px2 and pi to py2, and the spin multiplicity value, all the electrons are plus 1 minus 1, so means plus 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. So therefore the spin multiplicity value is 1. Okay, the spin multiplicity value is 1. Okay, right. So the term symbol L is equal to lambda 1 plus lambda 2. So that is equal to, student, that is plus 2 minus 2, student here. So this is plus 2, student, and this is minus 2. So plus 2 minus 2, that is equal to 0, because plus 1 plus 2 and minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. So lambda 1 is a plus 2 and lambda 2 is minus 2. So therefore plus 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Then the term symbol is sigma only. Okay, then we will move to the superscript. Okay, so please, student, here you can see the electrons are in unzarad center only, unzarad system. So therefore u into u, that is equal to g only. Okay, so therefore the molecular term symbol for C2 molecule is 1 sigma g plus. So this is very important. Clear, student? Right. So next we will move to another example. For N2 molecule, student, it is a 14 electron system. The energy for order for this N2 molecule, that is 1g sigma 2 and sigma star 2. sigma g to sigma g2, sigma star u2, pi 2px and pi 2py and sigma 2pz2. Okay, right. So please focus student only the outer electron only. Okay, so here you consider only this system. Okay, right. So in this system we have two paired electron. So these two electrons are paired up in this pz level. Okay, so the electrons with positive and negative spin. So therefore, plus of minus of is equal to 0. So therefore, the spin multiplicity 2 into 0 plus 1, that is equal to 1. Clear student, right? So the term symbol for this N2 molecule, that is L is equal to lambda 1 plus lambda 2. Here we have only it is in pz orbital. So therefore, the term symbol is 0. So therefore, the term symbol is 0 means nothing but the lambda value is 0 means nothing but student, it represents sigma. Okay, so the subscript is G because here the electrons are in Z center only. So therefore, G into G, that is equal to G. So therefore, here the term symbol for this N2 molecule, that is 1, that is superscript, that is the spin multiplicity, sigma is the term symbol and G is the direct center and positive. Okay, so here the term symbol for N2 molecule is 1 sigma G plus. Okay, then we will move to the N2 plus molecule. Here N2 plus molecule student, it is a 13 electron system. It loses one electron from its outer shell configuration. So therefore here student, only these 2 sigma pz becomes sigma 2 pz1 only. Okay, so therefore one electron in this pz level. So therefore S is equal to half student. So therefore 2 into half, that is plus 1, that is equal to 2. So therefore, so here the electron in pz level, that is sigma level. So therefore lambda value is equal to 0. So therefore the term symbol is equal to sigma. Okay, so the subscript is here, you can see student, that is also Z because only G, so only one electron is there, so therefore Z center. Okay, so the term symbol, the spin multiplicity is 2 and the term symbol is sigma and Z center is G, then it is plus charge. So this is the example in the case of N2 molecule and N2 plus molecule. Clear student, right? So this molecule is very important. Okay, right. Next we move to the O2 molecule student. So many of time this question was asked in the examination point of view. Right, here you can see here O2 molecule, it is a 16 electron system. It is follows above 14 electron rule. So here you can see the electrons in here, the electrons first enter into the sigma 2pz first, then the electrons enter into the pi 2px, pi 2py, then the electrons are enter into the pi star 2px and pi star 2py. Okay, so therefore the electrons are present in this pi star 2px and pi star 2py. So hence O2 molecule exhibiting paramagnetic in nature, but according to the valency bond theory, O2 molecule exhibiting diamagnetic in nature, but it fails to explain the practical evidences. But according to the molecular orbital theory, O2 molecule exhibit paramagnetic in nature, so it is satisfactorily explained by the practical evidences also. Okay, so here you can see one electron in px and another electron in pi star 2px. Okay, so therefore the two plus spins, so therefore plus up, that is equal to 1. So therefore the spin multiplicity is 3. Clear student, right? So the two electrons, one is plus 1 and another one is minus 1. So therefore plus 1 minus 1, that is equal to sigma. So the spin multiplicity is 0. The spin multiplicity is 0. The electron in Z center. The electrons are in Z center. So therefore G into G, that is equal to G. So G into G, that is equal to G. So therefore the molecular term symbol for this O2 molecule is 3 sigma G minus, right? Already I said student, if the term symbol is sigma, maybe superscript positive or negative we will assign. But when we will assign plus and when we will assign negative, if the spin multiplicity value is 3, then we will assign a negative as a superscript. If the spin multiplicity value is 1, then we will assign positive as a superscript. So this is very important point, student. So please concept this please follow this concept, right? Thank you. Right here. So excited state of O2 molecule. Excited state means nothing but if the two electrons are in positive and negative sin, what will happen? Or if the electrons are paired in one orbital, what will happen here? So if the two electrons are in two different orbital with opposite spins, one is plus half and minus half. Okay, right here plus 1 minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 means lambda is equal to plus 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0 sigma, and S is equal to 0 spin multiplicity, so therefore 1. So here also for excited state with opposite spins, the term symbol is 1 sigma g plus, right? Otherwise, if the two electrons are in this same orbital, what will happen? Okay, if the two electrons are in plus 1 or if the two electrons are in minus 1, there is no issue. So therefore plus 1 means plus 2, minus 1 means minus 2. So for example, if the two electrons with lambda value, here we are calculating plus 1 that is equal to 2. So therefore the term symbol is delta. Okay, right. So here the spin multiplicity is 0. So therefore the term symbol is 1 delta G, right? So these two cases are not very important. So here generally the term symbol for the term symbol for this O2 molecule is 3 sigma G minus only. Why? Because we will move to the some rules are there. So we will move to the rule side. Right, you can see energy ordering. So according to the Hund's rule, a useful guide to the energy ordering of terms arising from the ground state electronic configuration. So the first point is the term with the highest spin multiplicity, that is 2s plus 1, is the lowest in energy. That is very important, right? Highest spin multiplicity, that is 2s plus 1, is the lowest in energy, right? Here clear. So here in that example of O2 molecule, the three possible uh, term symbols are there, that is 3 sigma G minus, 1 sigma G plus and 1 delta G plus. So the three possible terms are there, but the accepted term symbol is 3 sigma G, because in the excited case the spin multiplicities of both the examples are 1 only, but in the case of the two electrons within different orbital, the spin multiplicity value is 3. So therefore highest spin multiplicity is there. So therefore here the accepted term symbol is 3 sigma G minus. Okay, for the terms of the same multiplicity, the term with the largest orbital angular momentum is given by delta, is the lowest in energy. For example, the terms arising from the ground state O2 molecule lie in the order, that is 3 sigma G minus, 1 delta G and 1 sigma G. Okay, so the accepted is only C sigma G only. So that is the energy ordering if the diatomic molecule it exhibit more than one term symbol. So which is the term symbol is accepted. So here we have to follow these rules are very important. Okay, right. So next we will move to the next example, that is F2 molecule. It is a 18 electron system. So here it is a this 18 electron system, student, in oxygen molecule. So we are adding one electron from this outer shells, one electron from this px and one electron from this p star y only. So here the two orbitals are paired up, student. So therefore spin multiplicity plus half minus half. So therefore s value is 0. So therefore the spin multiplicity value is 1. Okay, so here the two electrons are paired up in this level and the two electrons are paired up. So therefore lambda value is equal to, so plus 1 that is plus 2, minus 1 that is minus 2. So the summation of these orbital angular momentum, So therefore lambda 1 plus lambda 2, that is equal to plus 2 minus 2. So therefore the term symbol is sigma. Clear? Right. So the subscript, the electrons are in Z level only. So therefore Zr into Zr, that is equal to Zr. So the term symbol, the molecular term symbol for this F2 molecule is 1 sigma G plus, right? So these are the most important examples in molecular spectroscopic term symbols of diatomic molecules. And also we have few examples, that is, please note, F2 molecule and O2 minus 2 has same molecular term symbol, that is 1 sigma G plus, student. O2 minus, it is a 17 electron system. Therefore the molecular term symbol is 2 pi G minus. And the next O2 plus, it is a 15 electron system, student. So therefore the molecular term symbol is 2 pi G minus only. Okay, so there is no issue, student. I have not mentioned these energy order, because here, so here you can if it is a 17 electron system, so you can remove the one electron from this pi star to py, then it becomes a 17 electron system, right? If it is 15 electron system, just you can remove one electron from this pi star to px 1, so then it becomes uh, 15 electron system. So here if it is 15 electron system, student, only one electron will be present. So if one electron will be present means nothing but, student, so therefore the spin multiplicity is half. So therefore 2 into half, 2 into half, so 2 into half plus 1, so means half get cancelled, student. So therefore half get cancelled, so therefore plus 1, so that is equal to 2 only. So therefore the spin multiplicity is 2 for both these two cases, student, right? So here the term symbol is very important here. So the electrons in sigma 2px, so therefore lambda value will be 1. So if the lambda value will be 1, then the term symbol will be pi only. So the both so the same rule is applicable for O2 minus also. So please focus, these two examples are also very important. Okay, right? So next we will move to the summary of the topic, right? The summary of the topic, what we have discussed in this lecture. So that is Li2 molecule. Here I have mentioned only outer configuration. So the term symbol is 1 sigma G plus, and for B2 molecule the term symbol is same. For B2 molecule the term symbol is also 3 sigma G minus, student. For C2 molecule 1 sigma G plus. For N2 molecule 1 sigma G plus. For O2 molecule 3 sigma G minus. For F2 molecule 1 sigma G plus. Okay. So this is the molecular spectroscopic term symbol, student. So please focus all these examples. So you will get one question from this topic.